Yaki siyabonga sithi kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo. Grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in open doors. Some spirits igama uThemba Nzimande, otherwise known as Uskim. Babu Tlali, Babu Chabela, the wise that are coming from the east. Ngiphethe Grootman Grootis. So umamambe kahlala athi wena ukabeya tawu sitswetsi athi une plug ngidlo mjita lo kahle kahle kuye wazalwa ngale card zethu ngabe i-heist gang wena plug ngakhona angimazi umuntu ongenavalo umama bebuya athi wena ngathi udrive usathane the way udrive ngakhona inhliziyo yakho nje ikwenye indawo awuthi yamukrend
sham khutbani wena
wena mfethu usatshwa yimi wena ngikucabangile ngilong busy contemplate ngifuna ukhumutso ngithi mfethu asibizi nje igame athi hayi khohlwa manje lo muntu akathukanga kanavalo fuck all ngithi mchana kulesikhathi samanje lesi hayi angazi athi uthi bavele bangihenga abanye bathi nawe ngathi uyakolota kumadlanga yena abaningi bathunyelwe uwe kahle kahle by the way kumadlanga asibabulisa singene endabeni
Khutman no thank you very much for the opportunity I know yabonga for the thuba nginikeza lona to share whatever we can share with the people of Ekurhuleni and South Africa at large.
Yes. Let's give them the full names and the surname. Mhlambe sokuzithola nickname.
Yeah. Look, I think well, my full names are Mudibe, Julius Mudiba. Grew up in Davidson. But you see, people are talking about Vladimir.
Yeah.
Because there was a point Putin. There was a point where I was accused of being a Russian spy. Yeah, there was a publication that called me a Russian spy. So people on Twitter what I would reply, so Vladimir. So I took that nickname, I used it ever since.
Putin Vladimir.
Yeah.
So have you won any awards so far?
No, we've not. I think mainstream media in South Africa is still mainly white owned, and and if you're a black journalist who goes against the establishment, you'll be an outsider.
It's monopoly.
Yeah, you'll be an outsider. But I think you walk around the mall, people appreciate your work, and I think for that's the biggest award you can ever get.
What's your biggest breaking news to date?
Look, I think the biggest story that I can say that I worked on that took me around 3 years. Maybe it's like Regamdise. There's an IPAC church lapa, there were two factions lapa where there was Usandlane. And then there's the Modise family, you know. So this one Usandlane, he claims to be the legitimate son of the Modise, the late. I'm a fraud, I'm a smart cat, Matala pastor and a smart cat. The Modise pastor, we're having a green ID book. He creates 4 degrees, he changes the wheel, and we know the corruption in Guma Master's Court. You know, then he says the half of the church is his, you know. So I think that for me was the biggest story that I've worked on. We got him arrested, and we got a judge arrested, Judge Pusha Patlan. Sure. So I'm the first journalist to get a sitting judge arrested.
Hey, Mchan. Yes. And I know the man is still inside.
Yeah, the Sandland is still inside. Yeah, still inside. So we'll see. But Judge Pusha, I think she's out on bail.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But the evidence is there. There's bank accounts. So this is that's PK.
So let's get to the how part when you want to nip it on the part because as into less resources number one.
Yeah.
2 there's no backup. Number 3 abantu bafuna ukugawula wena uphambana ne-traffic. So the how part they built up Joe Bush it took about 3 years. But wenze njani fethu when you were fickling utama ngihlanganise lokhu nalokhu get the same.
Look, I think there were guys at the church who approached me. But they don't go out late yona ingosi athembisa siyazi. But he's become a major priest at the church, you know, and he's managed to take half of the church with him, you know. So, so okay. Firstly, does the family know about this guy? Family knows charity, but I said so the first thing we did, let's do a DNA test. What? So the DNA test, and that will kill everything. Yeah. If the DNA proves no, he is somewhat related to the Modise family, then there's no story. So I think when he refused to do a DNA test, that's why it's at Zimbabwe, you know. But it was very, I think the press briefing, General Mkonas, I think it helped a lot of investigations because they were not doing anything about it. Because they told us back. So I think that press briefing made people are scared now. So that token had to be fetched. The judge was nabbed, now he was nabbed. Yeah.
So in terms of the losses, Lapan, because I understand they've incurred a lot of losses, Lapan, kunesikhathi la kwakhala khona irifle, kunesikhathi la igate belidonswa ngazi ngani or lichayisiwe. That drama, were you part of that?
Yeah, look,
build-up?
I think at that time, that's when I was still working on the story.
Yeah.
But mega jumpies, what was I working on? You know, because some things when you investigate them, you're not supposed to do jumpies.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then I think when he went into that church and killed people, there was a small boy that he killed. I think for me that was I imagine out let me say I so conscious of mood that. So I think once that happened, and think even law enforcement had to come to a point that Outlay is alone to himself, man.
Yeah.
There's a video where he walks into airport in Napalm. You look at lockdown.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, he was running the country as if he's alone to himself. And you can't have that. Once you start having people like that,
Yeah.
I mean, we're starting them a poison.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we see on Madlanga, it's a tip of an iceberg when it comes to a mafia state. Maybe when we say we give you a mic now, just unpack South Africa and where we are in terms of crime. At the scale of 10, sihleli kuphi? 0 being the lowest and 10 being maximum.
Oh, we're at 10. We're at 10.
It's a calculator in South Africa. 10 out of 10.
No, we're at 10.
It's that bad.
So the problem, I think we need to even redefine what criminality is, because we grew up. Panda, they come back to feed their family. We call them the biggest gangsters. Their politicians were stealing 6 billion, my brother. 6 billion just vanishes. Who's the biggest criminal? The guy who's saying ShopRite, or the politician who's wearing a suit who's stealing 6 billion. Those are the biggest thugs. Those are the biggest thugs who are sitting in parliament there. Those are the biggest thugs.
Yeah, but 6 billion mchana. Abantu bathi mfethu mhlambe you're running a mouth here. How can we maybe best find out who lento ikhuluma? It's the
Sanral. They can go to Sanral.
Yeah.
The CEO of Sanral has just resigned. We wrote a story about the Sanral where 6.5 billion just has vanished. Has vanished. They didn't even defend it in court. The CEO left of Sanral left recently, last week or 2 weeks ago. And funny enough, Sanral says, so I tweet, hey, Sanral working on the Sanral response, no, the Hawks are not looking for any of us. I then said, no, let's take me to court about two. I had to show one of their guys, there's the docket. My guys will law enforcement, but we don't, this docket I shine of Samba nayo. Where we go Samba nayo.
Yes.
Yeah. So
the investigation is still on.
The investigation is still on of Sanral.
Yeah.
I think they've asked for their laptops, for their phones. They've asked for to look at the contracts for 15 years going back. From here, going 15 years back.
Any expected arrest very soon?
Yeah, we should see. We should see arrest. But you see, when there's about Sanral, that's where white people steal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where white people steal. There's a white company in a year they make more than 4 billion from Sanral yacht. You understand? So those are, you know, we still once we start seeing white companies being exposed for tenders and being arrested, then you'll see, because the majority of tenders are done by white companies. But so you scheme on 3.5 million. The majority of tenders are white-owned companies.
Yeah.
Then they use black France. Yeah.
So maybe any info on Eskom, because abantu abaningi bathi mfethu lento isuke ngale nisibiza parastatal, you know, and another entity as the arm yabo yala eMzansi, but laphana izinto ngathi they are beyond repairs. Do we have any knowledge
of Eskom?
Yeah.
Look, I think Eskom has been a mess for a very long time, and I think we must be honest, who damaged Eskom? It was a white CEO, Andre de Ruyter. Yeah, he was the CEO of Nampak. He destroyed Nampak. Nampak was a nice company. People would retrench, that company fell. And then so a government says this person has collapsed Skip GP Foundation. You did not record Andre de Ruyter destroyed Eskom, but we've got a black guy now. Who's this guy? I forgot. The CEO of Eskom. He's doing a good job. He's doing a good job. But you see, the corruption in Eskom is too big, man. There are guys, you can be Skip GP. It's a big institution, but the guys are you don't even know by procurement. Yes. You know, you won't know, and So I think Eskom has been a mess for a very long time. But I think the black guy now is coming. Yazam. Yeah, Dan Marugane, the CEO of Eskom. Yeah, I know he's doing a good job. He's doing a good job, and I think it's people like that we should profile. Show good. There's a black leadership is not only corrupt. We've got guys that can actually turn around an institution. Yeah,
but let's get to the government, because some of us nama aspirations oklala and lead and navigate the city. You know, Perhaps just for ingozi zethu yabo. I mean, we've
yeah.
been there, done that. Sibuye emadanyane and all of that, and abantu bayayideserve a second chance, but abantu abasana faith in the political system, number one.
Yeah.
Maybe let's start with that. When uyibheka Dideng, do you feel ukuthi mhlambe maybe if we had ama-Democrats nama-Republican, mhlambe it was going to be better?
I think it would be better because you know what you are dealing with. You go to America, even the media. There's a media that you know these are Democrats.
Yeah.
There's a media that you know these are Republicans. So that's such a laza.
Yeah.
People are still scared. There was a point where they were saying, "How when you're a Zuma person, you're a Russia person, you're an RT person." I was saying, yes, I believe in radical economic transformation. Who must not believe in RT? So they want to put you in a certain space with when we RT Mundira scheme. If scheme says, "Hey, chief, black people must get the majority of tenders," I'm going to support that. Because of the Mundira scheme, you understand? So I think it would. But I think South Africa needs a revolution, man. Yeah, it needs a revolution. We need to ban ties. This country needs to ban. Say violence. When we still have government
Inciting violence.
No, but you see, if you look at 94.
Yeah.
If you look at 94, people were killed, whatever happened during apartheid. Then our government negotiated with people. That's like we were saying to people that we want to share the same toilet. Let's share the same toilet. I see grand bus.
Yeah.
Then the fight against apartheid was land. It was land. It was about not to wait. You've taken our land. You've taken our economy.
Yeah.
So now we say no. We want to go to schools with you guys. We want to share the. We want to. Yes, we look at Canadians. We look at toilet song. That was not the fight. And until black people realize this is their country, we must spend the streets. Yeah. And even white people are beginning to say I love the bapais now.
Yeah.
You need majority. You also about by 4, need 320.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yo.
It's highly impossible. You can't. And we are not saying we want violence. We call them. We say, guys, I'm sure you know how you took the land.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nias, the Bulale moment. Nias, but that's much. But since you own 60 hectares and you want family, it's no longer going to happen. We'll give you 10 hectares. Fine.
Yeah.
We take 50.
Yeah.
50, you give it to scheme 10.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
10. You've now created 5 other black guys who are about our grade.
Yeah.
That's what they should have done, these guys.
Yeah.
They wanted to share the same toilet with Funny Cake.
I wanna plug ya how me bro. Hey, I'm maybe Masesishaya my predictor. Which politician do you think is going straight to prison?
Politician?
Yeah.
At the moment?
Yeah.
Oh. I know there's something on Peggy Kyle. I know there's something on Peggy Kyle. I know there's something on Peggy Kyle. If I had to bet, I'll bet on him at the moment.
Do you think
there's something about him?
He would wear orange?
Yeah, there's something about. But I know. Let me say this. I received information that they wanted to arrest him, that he was negotiating with law enforcement because he knows a lot. And I think that shows in this country that who you are and. But Palapala, let's call me Vav. Cyril will go to prison eventually.
Do you think Umanga
there's no way, scheme. You can't have scheme when I'm open my Bedford view a corner, back back to 500,000. But you're bosh.
Hey.
Bosh. President, if you have a sofa, Mamela, foreign currency, SARS does not know about it. You've not declared it. Yeah. But about this for a sale of why is a peg, why I sang a peg. I was taking cover. Okay, he said, my layer. And he knows. And the FBI is going to come for him. You can't have money. Yeah, you can't have our money. We have the money. Understand? And they think Americans play. Americans don't play.
So do you think now they are just buying time? They are giving him time to breathe, Mhlambe to finish his term in office. And then from that they will nap him.
Yeah.
So same Dideng arrangement, former president.
Zuma. Yeah. Look, people we never thought President Zuma would go to prison.
Yeah.
We never thought that.
Yeah.
So people, if Zuma can go to prison, which was unlawful and illegal.
Yeah.
Law. Then if he doesn't go to prison, then we must know that South African this constitution that they say is the best favors those with money. Favors those with money.
So you can bet on anything you own. That man. If into zenzeka straight.
If it's zenzeka straight. Then there's no. It's a clean case. If Bogu was handed in.
Your thoughts on the CIC?
CIC. Look, I think he's been mentioned in a lot of things, Gumadlanga, and he's been mentioned linked to Khan and linked to all sorts of things. But I think I was attending his press briefing the other day. You were saying that I've always known these people.
Yeah.
I know Mazout. Why being people Mazout?
Yeah,
I've known those guys for a long time. And now people are fighting General Khan. And since they're fighting General Khan, they want to include me, And I think back there was a conversation where General Khan and someone else are talking about him. Or there were two people there, they're talking about him. Malanga sends him questions to say answer. About that. We said, okay, if it's this conversation between Scheme and this guy, one guy, we are go buza bona. Basically, ngena happy into benza abantu abadala. Yabo. So I think I think they want to nab him so hard. They're committing mistake amancane nje. Yeah. But I'm not saying there's nothing. If they must just look properly and do their things, maybe they'll find something. But they must not make petty mistakes and always overshy. Yeah.
And he's not a fan of my podcast nowadays. The other day, I'm Zulu panel responder. And ezinye izinto azikho personal. But into engayifuni mina ukuthi kube nabantu abama-favorite kaSathana or ama-favorite kaNkulunkulu khona bangathatshwa yabo. And but bona they're very quick to lash and then bafike bambe omunye umuntu nani, because remember wonke umuntu uyaspina la akekho ufuna ujumpisela omunye. Now we are going in deeper, we are going to dive in deep, because this city, according to wena uthi there's a lot of debt here. It's rotten to the core. And then mhlambe just to unpack, mina nje I'm here to listen manje. Naba bahleli abantu la, I've got nothing to do with nothing. And mina ke angicwayi bayazi abantu abaningi ukuthi esaniyaringa nje, but also mina I've never released an episode and then I had to withdraw an episode. There's no way, because angizwani nokushaya abantu, angizwani noku-implicate abantu nani. Mina ngifair yabo. So as we are obviously going on and about this conversation, as long as we're factual, we're good.
No, look, Scheme, I think I started investigating Ekurhuleni I think like 3 years ago. So the story Ekurhuleni starts, or for me, it starts when Ekurhuleni says they've lost 2 billion. Then they fight their IT guy, Muluko Munyapao. They fight that guy about 22 billion. Then I checked the money. They are 22 billion. So I was not it says, my brother, it's impossible to steal 2 billion. You can't steal 2 billion alone. Where's the municipal manager? Where's the CFO? Where are those in finance? I mean, I go IT. I'm the one who released the report. We have the case numbers, Hawks. I'm the one who created the report. The city is losing revenue, and this is how they lose revenue. So this is what they do, Scheme. If let's say your office is now, you owe Ekurhuleni 500,000. Then you have to go and get them. Let's do fast. Let them say fast, and it happens. And now that bill, cool. Then it reaches about 2 billion. There's a revenue shortfall, and because our municipality is over budget, then I realized that these guys, the whistleblower, but the whole white media was bought to make that guy the face of corruption. Then we started investigating. To a point where I was saying shy. To a point where even Karaza, they may have called me to a meeting of so that's why what's this hotel in Waterfall? So so maybe and we've got a common mutual friend as a guys, as a David Ton. That guy with David may full now. Okay. That guy why shy out, man. The mayor says to me, stop fighting with me, man. So something like man. And I'm like, you're dealing with someone who you're trying to destroy a career of a black person, and then you are now coming to me to volume fan. Then he took me to court. For things that News 24 raised themselves, that is linked to murders. News 24 wrote an article that the mayor of Ekurhuleni was at the scene when the DJ passed away there. I said the same thing. Then he took me to court. News 24 won, I lost. And there's a conversation we must have in this country that why, as black people, you can go to, your case can be similar with another white person, but funny enough, the judgment will be different. But the only time I won in court was when I went with him. It was when he took me and News 24 to court. My grandma used to say, yeah, so then I'm investigating that, Ekurhuleni. You then find out that whole place is rotten, man. Even Scheme, you're a legitimate business guy. In order for your invoice to be paid, you must give someone 30%. already you tell material maybe you have to even give someone something inside
Yes.
you have done the job, you must still pay again to your mali yakho. But bayaspina mona.
Yes.
Bayaspina ngazo zonke indlela, and then they expect us to keep quiet, and we must just keep quiet, and it must be business as usual. This is our city. We grew up here, and half of them are not even from Ekurhuleni.
Hey.
They don't even even half of the companies that get tenders are not from Ekurhuleni.
Yeah.
Major contracts. They must be saying, okay, scheme, we want to build studios in Ekurhuleni. When you're already established, they won't do that. They won't. So then they expect us to keep quiet and act as if all is normal, you know. And look now, Ekurhuleni has lost 2.9 billion. Even with that guy, 17. 2.9 billion is gone. I'll release the story maybe tonight. They're scared of releasing that thing. About buyers, but 2.9 billion. 2.9 billion.
So you're about to release the story.
Yeah. So keep access because they don't want people to know. I think your viewers, breaking news, will be the first ones to hear about this. You know. But then they find someone, but say you change 2 billion. Like I said, una 1 year, 7 months, I'm 17. Nina, as far as last week, that's only 2.9 billion.
Yo. So now you have sources now, in as much as they've got their own things there.
Yeah.
So you investigate, and then CB is investigative journalism.
Yeah.
And then immediately after Tolama findings, it's only then you release. Or
then
do you
release.
work on assumptions and speculate? Because the problem is, Abantu all the time, they are saying, no. Are you sure? But in the end, if these cases, they don't see the light of day, when you are seen as not credible.
Yeah. Look, I think... look at the story of Ekurhuleni. I knew that there was a mess up.
Yeah.
Because of Ekurhuleni.
Yeah.
And let me tell you the best way to get information. You just post, okay, what's happening about that one of Scheme GP?
Eish.
DMs. Yeah, look, why don't you mind then you start following up. Then things end up tying together. Like now in Ekurhuleni, I posted something about Ekurhuleni that the sheriff was there. Every day there's a sheriff Ekurhuleni attached. The other week I posted a video. They took furniture. They motor Ekurhuleni bas features in Jamaica. They're hiding their cars. They don't want the sheriff to see those cars. I use one chicken. You put me tender to make Ekurhuleni military.
What is the issue? What is the issue? What gave birth to that?
The misuse of funds. Misuse of funds and over budgeting. You can't budget it for this year. We need 40 billion. 40 billion, but you collect 15 billion. The other things end up becoming unfunded. But the other things, they steal.
Yes.
They steal, and we all know it. We can see it. They steal. Look at that chemical toilets tender. Mpoma Fule died for that tender. The guy says, I'm afraid. I'm a company grand. But they killed that boy. He was only to work for 3 months. They killed him because it's a scheme. Company okay go grade. The man no sign. They not scheme lungisale report. That guy said, I'm not going to sign this. They killed him. Then it must be business as usual. If you want to steal on a podcast, let's just some podcasts are credible. Situation now. Yeah. Only podcast much. Yeah.
Yes. Hey, just then to hey, umuntu vela be nama goosebumps because these things are deep, masizikhuluma kanje, and kunama lives futhi that are involved, and people are always scared now ukuthi hey mfethu, who's next? Let's talk about the lifestyle, because I see a lot of women amagama abo nje are creeping from all over, and they are the biggest beneficiaries
it's true.
of these things.
Ekurhuleni, half of the slave queens you'll see they're being bankrolled by executives of Ekurhuleni. Siyabazi imihlala emapatini. Bebabona udalo. Yeah. And the funny thing, you see this slave queens, they post. Yeah, they post.
Yes.
After they post, we follow up. Oh, okay. Yeah, and already say siyabazi because we've got sources who sit with them or executives. They know to scheme abambe manje ubani izolo manje. Umthengile iviyalo. You then follow up. Who then touch mobile up? Touch number plate. When you check that car was bought cash, then you follow the money. We are calling.
Yo.
We are calling. Understand? And I'm not saying that they must not enjoy themselves. I mean, maybe if the opportunity comes again, maybe I'm going to charge. I don't know. You don't know. But then at least if I'm not conscious, I have conscious with Azin. You can't steal this much. Yeah, I want this one more shit. Yeah, and that's why I'm just jumping the manch. Yeah, I'm about to cool.
Yes.
I want to move like I jump.
Yeah.
We touch like jump. Yeah.
So now that you have labantu so ngamagama wabo neyibongo. And abakhali ngokuthi mhlambe bayatargetwa labantu because kaningi omunye umuntu uvela athi mara mfethu lo mjita lo hayi man wenzani manje sekangijampisela.
But okay. You mean when I attack the executives?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, mina. There's something called as I shoot.
Yeah.
Why must we hide? If you stole, you stole. And that's why, you see, journalism has changed, and I call it street journalism. There were times where you were scared to post about these politicians because maybe you'll get bought or you'll get killed. And I think if you have to get killed, that's the life. That's the price we'll pay. That's the price we'll pay. Why must we be scared? I must say allegedly.
Yes.
I must say allegedly because the scheme is going to take me to court and I'll lose. But neither. And I'll lose because I don't have good lawyers or I can't afford lawyers. Or then I just end up saying, I apologize, scheme is fine. Because you send me a letter of defamation. As in, then we must be scared of saying scheme. It's wrong. Then it's not democracy then.
So now ubiza amagama wabantu la. And now we are shukutwambila yoba ne meeting nani. So what's the status relationship or understanding yakho with the powers that be?
There is no relationship. There is no relationship between me and them. There will never be any relationship. I don't have a relationship with thugs.
When no,
there's not going to be any relationship. There's not going to be any relationship. I've got sources there who give me information. There's just not a relationship. Within the Tabamba. So we investigate sharp. And I think with the Ekurhuleni, the story became so personal. I've worked with many stories, but that's Ekurhuleni became so personal. It became personal because, it became personal because you're investigating things that are legitimate. They want to go to your family members. They went to my uncles. They go to my baby mama. They go to everyone. Yeah. So my saying to my I see it, Buffett. Yeah, I see it. If it means I must stop every investigation that I'm doing for Ekurhuleni.
You want to collapse the city,
yeah. It must collapse and it must give birth to a new system. It must collapse. Maybe during this week, 1 or 2 will get arrested. I'll tell your producer, I'll send you a video. 1 or 2, there'll be something. Yeah, it must come to a point where people must be scared. Yeah.
But we should back on abantu safe makunjalo because look at executives, not an executive. So ngamanye amagama kuyaqhubeka lento.
Look, there was a report. Okay, let me say this. The city, there's something I posted on Twitter, right?
Yeah.
I'm in possession of a forensic report which is called Granting Aid, which shows how money was squandered by the comrade 2019, 2021. The following day, the city takes me to court. But they report right? I know sharp. I've got it. I said, I told myself if it means I must be in contempt of court. Good great. You will keep my company every week. Starting from Friday. Now my company. And the people associated with them. Every week. If it means that I must be in contempt of court and go to prison for 10 days, I'll come out a hero.
Hi. I'm betting Jake imali left and right. You know the Wall of Fame. Yonke lento leyenziwe ngomfufutho le. Akunanto, mongabheka ukuthi uyalandelela ne. Uyothi uyocheck ukuthi ngeke ngafandwa anyway. I'm happy that I've never.
Oh, you are safe then.
Never ngaze ngafandwa anyway. Ngine foundation ina 20 years operate.
Yeah.
No lottery, no what, never. The company one ayike ngangifanda. So lento beziyenza thina nje. So mawuso ichecka lento. I remember that thing, it was 100 million.
Yeah, I'm shy. You find one guy's got 4 companies. They even commit fraud. Scheme applies, scheme GP.
Yeah.
Born above the company, but the scheme GPP. The city pays scheme GPP. You go to scheme not the media apply even as long as you told them. Shit, man. The company get scheme GPP. So you see, but they know I know. That's why they're so frustrated.
Sure.
Yeah, they know what I know. And if the judge said you must not talk about granting aid in DB, you must not release it. Aye, new and Buffett. Imali chonchile. You release every day scheme, 5 names. Bam. Na company corner. Na imali ayitholile.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. Hayi sisekhatheni impela. Ngale city le. Marikon in the right la.
They look. There are good guys that are working in Ekurhuleni.
Yeah.
They are, but I think the system will collapse them. The good guys go lapha Ekurhuleni.
Yeah.
Salabutsotsi.
Eish.
Yeah, salabutsotsi.
Eish. But can we work with what we have now?
No, there's nothing there. There's no CET there, scheme man. What are you going to work with, Lapa? They can't pay invoices. They can't pay a person who delivers toilet paper.
Yo.
You must go and check, Lapa. Maybe I'm going to toilet paper, Lapa, go head office.
Yo.
They can't afford anything. But they've got money to pay slave queens. They've got money to pay their own friends. I'm invoice how much do fast, by Python fast.
Eish.
Yeah.
Eish.
And what happens? Black business people end up losing their companies. Yeah.
So, but who's the biggest beneficiary? Because we are saying sometimes umuntu bakufuna percentage, 10%, 20, 30% for rank. But who are the beneficiaries?
Those in finance. The politicians, the executive, bonke. Yeah, bonke. You can even take your invoice now. We give it to a council. You take council man. You can about to finance papa the invoice yam. Uzothi about bafuna 10% abantu phela uzothini. Makafika lapha athi mfethu about the person responsible in the top bhatala phela nami ngithola 10% lapha. Yabo? Yeah, it's become a norm. Yeah, it's become a norm.
Yes. Hey, ngathi angihlali la mfethu. No, it's not like we are naive, we are ignorant, but ezinye izinto ziba extreme because khona into eyibonayo ukuthi all right ingamla ne ingamla bezithi okay bazigaya 100 rand zithi no thina siyodla 30 rand
Exactly.
mara at least 70 uzosikhava
yeah.
service delivery izoya maye ngayi sekudliwa 70 and then kwenziwa into ye30 indlela 2 minutes yenziwe next week ama pothole yonke le ndawo le
you know South Africans now they've come to a point but it's okay to steal but still score Then sakilini isikolo sazinontshontsha basakilini isikolo sakilini yeah and noma ngasakala isikolo leso bakushaya egrand bokuba the scheme amotshontsha futhi manje msakuthi botshontsha futhi basifude esinye isikolo manje yeah so do correct things and then you'll get correct results. Yeah, that's why now they look at the ANC, their votes are dying. Every election the ANC dies because they've not been doing good things. They've not been doing good things. You know, how many black companies have they built? The ANC can't even afford to go to stadiums because their municipalities are not paying black service providers. You understand? ANC who funds the DAs? White people. White people get money from tenders and their own money. ANC was about to scheme every year. We must make sure the scheme makes 100 million by us as the black government. But it's your phone. You know, it's already 20. Because they've uplifted you. What are you going to? What are you going to do to the ANC now? That's why they can't even pay salaries. There was a point they couldn't pay salaries at Luthuli House.
Yes.
Yeah. But your president is a billionaire. You're for the president. Yeah. Your scheme. You call all these black billionaires that you've created. Yeah. That's why they've not created any black business billionaires. That's why they can't afford anything. You think that DA would eat Sokola? Rupert Lahlela. Oppenheimer Lahlela. All those white guys who own factories by Lahlela.
Yeah.
Do you think those guys must fund the ANC? They won't fund the ANC, man. These are clowns. We're not going to fund clowns.
But now, because even the companies, there's corners lapana, yonke into seyiba substandard.
Yeah.
I think government unama factory faults, nama human error. But also with the people, mabeya lapana bayangalo mentality. Remember, if umuntu azothola tender, corruption I starting ngokuthi bathi bhatala 30%, 20%. It starts when you insert that envelope inside of the tender box. That's where it starts.
That's where it starts, yeah. Even before, you know, you find that there are instances where people in procurement, they call you to their house, but scheme the tender we're going to fill everything for you, we're going to price it for you. When you are signing a pay, when there's a 2 million yeah. So it's organized, an organized cartel. With that, and the same thing, you see, when a Tembisa hospital.
Yeah.
It was organized.
Yeah.
It wasn't organized. And we wouldn't care. I mean, idlala ngeThembisa Hospital, but don't claim that you've got skinny jeans, my patients in, yeah, bafethu. There are no beds lapha. Yeah, if they say scheme deliver 10 beds, I deliver 10 beds, my brother. Yeah, so uzodla kanjani, uzodla 100 rand, 100 rand on all those 10 beds. Yeah, on all those 10 beds. But people didn't even buy beds.
Yeah.
And who are the people who sleep there? Oh, abokoko bethu abokas.
Yes.
Yeah, Van Niekerk and Van der Merwe, they don't go to Thembisa Hospital.
But now let's talk about the mafia, like infrastructure. Okay, let's start with the robots. Kwenzakalani ngama-robot wasekuruleni ngoba akuna-robot. Mawuthi uyangena la here and there.
Kusana masipala la. La. Scheme. Maybe I think I must contest to be the mayor here.
Yeah.
Asokulahlile la, kuna nix ekuleni. Lahle kakhulu, kuna nix la. There is nothing. This city, there was a point where Ekurhuleni used to compete with the city of Cape Town. Yeah. Manje, kusana nix la mwana. Kusana nix. And by Moshile, they've destroyed it, so that's why it must collapse and they must all get arrested. We don't get about Tabash. Now about 2 days. You see what happens with those ones? So Bosha. Yeah, since it isn't to rush, then it's over grand.
So, is this the reason why abantu manje they are no longer responding to le nto yokuvota nani? Because ngibone nge-voter turnout, voters registration week.
Low.
Mawufika uyabona na ukuthi no man. Afuthi young ones abayingeni nokuyingena ke. They don't even entertain that.
Yeah, I think people are demoralized.
People
are demoralized. So votela ukuthi so focus scheme yotshontsha.
Yeah.
That's people. That's why the NCs be losing. People see it.
Yeah.
We don't lay a choncha there. And those guys they still bafika amakasta amaviyani bazosichomela. Bathatha bocherebethu wabona banemali. Understand? That anger. I'm not going to vote for that guy. You can't shang still ngomali ubutsotsi. Understand? And it builds up, it builds up, it builds up. It builds up to black campus. So these guys don't even give PR money. You've lost another voter.
Mara, there's another mafia style that's happening here where people bafike bangene and then collapse infrastructure and bayazi ukuthi bazo-rebuilda.
Yes.
Bayotshontsha i-transformer, bayazi ukuthi iyofakwa yibo. And then bafike bafake itina bathi coal. That kind of dynamic, because abantu they are not aware. We are trying to educate people through 3 lenses.
Look, I think well and that corruption, that mafia is done by white business people. Look at the rail system. I don't know when was the last time I saw a train. They deliberately collapsed those things. They deliberately collapsed those things. It's like Eskom. They have to make sure Eskom doesn't work. Then they say, no, you guys must now go to IPPs. What are the benefits of IPPs? It's Ramaphosa. It's the brother-in-laws. So they deliberately make this thing in a savings. It's a nice solution element, which is wrong. Yeah.
Or they create a problem whilst they have a solution.
They've got a solution already.
They know.
So
are we going to witness Mhlambe a time where they are going to get rid of the squatter camps? Because, I mean, kunama squatters matter. I mean, by right, I mean, we know even with the government of the past, they try ukuthi asenzeni indaba ye housing. It's important, that thing. Manje kuphizi ngama reblocking and what, but akuna movement.
Does the government have land to build people houses? They don't have land. That's why there will be squatter camps. If they had land, they will build people homes. Abanayo. And the way people don't sell, what's a phone thing so much. There was a point where they will say willing buy, willing sell. What's a thing so much. Yeah.
So now, as abantu abahlalayo, I mean, sibonile ku-Riding, kuMadlanga Commission, abo witness ntontoni. Bayakhawatheka, you know, every now and then we wake up gule. How safe are whistleblowers?
They're not safe. I'm sorry about that guy Sekuleni, the whistleblower. Ne? He had to take a loan and make his car bulletproof. Because he knows that they want him. He's a whistleblower, but they made him the face of corruption. You know? They made him the face of corruption. And last week, they fired. So you were suspended. So last week they made it permanent with this fired. But on Thursday he was going for. I think the day before they fired him, he was at a DC. Jalo when you go to a DC, but something always happens, or the city is not ready, or when he says I need information to help me with my DC, they don't provide him with that. If I know they want him out, but I'm Mkoshen Grand. I'm Mkoshen Grand. He's a black guy, he's a black professional, he's got kids. He went to school for this. So mcoshen grant. Even
Yeah.
from mcoshen grant.
So Vladimir Putin, let's say we're talking about now sorting izinto because we can't just leave people hanging. But to
Yeah.
what do you think must happen? Let's say we borrow you the city for the next 30 days. What are those immediate intervention ongeza ngazo?
Immediate.
Let's say we are putting you now as the powers that be now. What are
I'm
those
removing the
interventions?
CFO. I'm removing the city manager. I'm removing all those people. I'm removing all the HODs. Ngicala phansi. You apply. Ngicala phansi. You have qualifications. That's one. Oh, again. Do you have qualifications? Yes, again. Public interviews.
Yeah.
Kind of interviews done in secret. Yeah.
Yeah.
In my clubhouse. Aye. Interviews must be live. Let's go live.
Yeah,
You want to be the HOD of a Ekurhuleni?
Yeah.
Let's go live. What are you going to do?
Yeah.
People must say, long at is one king.
Yeah.
I remove everyone there. HOD, wonke umuntu, ngicala phansi. Ngicala phansi.
But is there still hope?
I think there's still hope.
Yeah.
There's still hope.
Okay.
It will be
With the right,
Yeah, it will be good. I think let's see after local government elections.
Yeah.
Let's see after local government elections. Ningeneni bafethe into right. Otherwise you kitchimisa.
I know. Mfuna uhlala ungigadile.
Yeah.
Ukungena siyangena kona. Leyo make no mistake. By hook or crook siyongena Japan. So yenza into right.
No, that's good.
So now for nje xwayisa abantu. At times we need to also educate abantu. Yabona ukuthi bafethu this is how we can avoid into so, and then corruption mayiza siyibona ngalendlela. We've seen umkhwanazi ukhulumeka yi1 but lento iphethe enye ripple effect mfethu kanje. Kuyabheda. So how can we mhlambe comfort people at home ukuthi nje bazi ukuthi bafethu if kune flop khulumani bheka manje ama drugs abantwana bayafa gender based yonke into ayikho into engathi kuno iba ne order.
Bheka, look, I think abantu bathukile man. You know, you see people like Mpuma Fule, whistleblower, they get killed. You know, and I think until we get to a point where whistleblowers start winning, then people will have hope. Because wherever you go, whistleblowers get killed, they get fired from work. So ngiyokulumelani, because I've seen it happen with 5 other people. So why you made volume low and act like I'm until whistleblowers start winning. The society then will be able to talk. So you encourage more people must come out. More people must come out. I think I never shy of a song. You know, there's something we used to say: "A feast must fall." They won't arrest all of us. They won't arrest all of us. If they arrest all of us, we're creating a crisis. And true. We're creating a crisis for the government. So you can't arrest everyone. You can't kill everyone.
Le courage yakho mina ngiyazibuza mfethu ukuthi lo mjita awantu uzalo ubani une plug and literally you are putting your life at risk. Ingozi imeli azikhuzi
yakhuza. Look, to a point where we had to separate. She went back home. We've got a 1 year, 6 months old baby. I think you know people, everyone is worried about me. I mean, life emkhubeka the way ngakhona bathi mlibo ngasaphumi emahlapini imagine ngasangasayogruva ngoba ngisaba utsotsi Brian maybe yobshaya but people must be careful of security. I know I had an uncle who had to force me to get security detail sharp but uthi ngasakhasi manje ngasajoli nyana ngoba sisaba utsotsi utsotsi vele basebethina uthi bengena aphume yena aphume athina le bhakele hey nice lespeed lesi vele kuphume yena
manje uyayenza into ongabenefit ifakol because wena wenzela lento for abantu.
I think with Ekurhuleni was like that. With Ekurhuleni was personal. With Ekurhuleni was personal. But I think I'm also I'm starting a brand. There's a platform I started 4 years ago, the Inside Factor. We'll break news on Twitter. You know, I want to see that thing like News 24. You know, so what do I have to do? I need to break stories. For people to say, hey, this guy's credible. Then from there, you know, so look for the next 3 years. You know, I know that you won't make that money. But then the vision is that in the next 5 to 10 years, it will be as big or if not bigger than News 24.
Are you with any publication manje? No, you're independent?
Independent.
So mabakisa court laba ma city of Ekurhuleni and the other places.
Look, I've got guys that sometimes run my things for a bono.
Yeah.
And I mean, I think I've got good friends who say I'm fit. I support ngale. You know, and I think I also come from a good family who says, "Hey, let's see where this crazy one goes with this thing. In 5 years, if it doesn't work, I have to go and now work 9 to 5 somewhere and find a job somewhere. But the passion must, I'm going to push it until.
Yeah. Any info on Eguruleni Metro? Because laphana story imoto sesibhalwa imoto eziprivate lana umuntu sikaza ngemoto yakhe umile la mawuphuma la ngeoffice bayamala mara kuna imoto akuna incwadi zokubhala. What's going on?
There's no city scheme. There's nothing. The city has collapsed. I think we must be honest. Ekurhuleni has collapsed. Very soon, they'll struggle to pay salaries. Very soon, they're gonna struggle to pay salaries. Very soon, Zobon.
Sheriff Jawatati car nan njokuthi car ziyabaleka zithathelwa nde imoto
lezi. Call them a service provider. Then the service provider takes them to court. Then they attach a court order. Which I'm not saying is worth what the contract. Every day there's someone there attaching.
Yo.
I'm sure there's no Wi-Fi. Maybe so check.
Putin. Ay. So labantu abamentionayo abo doctor and them anitholani.
They know what they're in this mess because they fight a whistleblower. If they don't bring back the whistleblower, the city is going to collapse. That guy, you know, when the guys were losing money like this, so what was I? Then you think the city will stand? That's not
Your parting shot, because yabona the way uze ngakhona ngiyakumamela every time and bangokumamela ngiyacringe man ukuthi yazi la the way iza ngakhona ngale story lezi iza ngezinye izinto ezinzima. Your conclusion mchana mhlawumbe ufake nama prediction maybe uzasitshela yona ukuthi hayi expectani 4-5 national khona oboshwayo nani yoma breaking news.
Ekurhuleni is going to be more arrests. The city is going to be embarrassed very soon. Very soon the city is going to be embarrassed. Already they were angry at me for releasing the footage here with the sheriff ifikile. Bakwatile but I'm collapsing the city. The city is going to be embarrassed very soon. Very soon. And that's why even I know national leaders. Yesterday I sent Balula a message. I hear ukuthi wena you are blocking for Ekurhuleni to return back to Scopa. Utuli has not released, he's not answered me yet. Because he knows I've heard something. He's not answered me yet. But then even national leaders are trying to block this thing of Ekurhuleni before it blows up. Yeah. But I think let's blow it up before local government elections. Half of them must not come back. Half of those councillors must not come back. Yeah. Ubheka manje ama councillors sawufuna ba HOD or HOD ba permanent. Bayazi umsebenzi waphela next year. Awuphele sicela kabusha. Yeah.
You are tired of this thing.
Ayiwe.
Sivalile ngisashaya uvalo namanje. People, stay blessed until the next episode. Thank you for your time.
Anytime Khutman.
Your bravery. I'm not sure man. Engathi bangakufakela i-bulletproof bakufakele yonke into la. Indaba lengulube ngiyazazi azikho grand.
Azikho grand.
In terms of la mafia la zawo because siwavalile bonke labantu ne. And then kune taxi mafia, kune coal mafia, kune cigarette mafia. And then ultimately it gives birth to the mafia state. So anytime mhlambe la government ingathiwa nela ngathi une grip nyana because wonke umuntu uyazisipinela
mhlambe. Yeah. But I think abantu lento emadlanga abantu bathukile manje.
Yeah.
I think Khonazi must give that case flowers. We chachile. With one press briefing chache yonke into. These things are even tied to Ekurhuleni. Isn't they tied to Northwest corruption? Abona yonke into nje. Things are tied back to the police, to the Hawks. So to some political leaders of political parties, but yeah, I think people are going to be scared now. I think that maybe the mafia state is about to be dismantled.
Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Hey, I know. That's good. Let's get a picture. Thank you, everybody.